When visiting Seoul, South Korea, there are a few things that you absolutely cannot miss. Like visiting Noryeongjin Fish Market for the freshest seafood you'll ever try. Or trying kimchi, Korea's quintessential spicy fermented side dish that you'll find on every table. Or how about visiting one of the 5 royal palaces in the city? No matter what you're looking for, Seoul has you covered. And now, traveling in Korea's capital city has become even much easier with the Seoul ONE+PASS. This free card supplies huge discounts of up to 50% at 91 of Korea's most famous attractions and activities. The card has 4 stunning designs, each with the same benefits, and can be picked up at various places around the city. And today I'm on a mission to discover just a few of the many activities on offer with the Seoul ONE+PASS. I'm spending my day nourishing my body with healthy vegan food, playing traditional Korean instruments to connect with the past, and finally releasing stress and helping the environment while making love. No, I'm literally creating the word love. Today I'm healing my mind, body, and spirit in Seoul. This is Eat, Play, Love. First, I'm visiting Queen's Bucket to learn about sesame oil. Sesame oil, as well as perilla oil, are sometimes referred to as the olive oil of Korea. Queen's Bucket is producing high-quality oil as well as skincare products and other condiments. Queen's Bucket roasts only the highest quality domestically grown sesame and perilla seeds and produces the oil through an impressive cold extraction process. This results in a fresh and unique flavor, unlike the mass-produced products found in stores. So the oil is made on the 3rd floor and then it comes down here for a 3-step filtration process, and then they actually bottle it here. So this is on the 2nd floor. So you can see all the machinery that they use to refine this oil. It's really high quality stuff. But of course, the highlight of my visit was learning how to cook with the various sesame products.
스프레드 가지고 샌드위치, 그다음에 드레싱 해서 샐러드 만드는 거 지금 하려고 하거든요. 그래서 먼저
With the help of the friendly staff, I whipped up a tasty salad and a yummy sandwich full of tofu and fresh veggies. The key to the sandwich was the sesame spread, which has a nutty and rich flavor. The process was easy, but the taste was 5-star. With the Seoul ONE+PASS, I was able to save 30% on the experience, which meant I had a little extra money to buy a few souvenirs to take home with me. Ooh, looks yummy. And after eating, it was time to check out the next activity. Next, it's time to have a bit of fun and play. Here I was able to take a class and learn how to play a Korean traditional drum set to the music of popular K-pop songs. The result was a fun and energizing class that really got the blood pumping. Check out my performance and tell me, how did I do? Finally, it's time for a bit of love. Love of yourself and love of the environment. The Seoul Upcycling Plaza's motto is Seoul Vision 2030 for a zero waste city. It aims to bring awareness of the environmental, social, and economic benefits of upcycling and to build an upcycling-based industrial ecosystem. And in this class, I upcycled old paper into various shapes and letters. The process takes a few hours but is relaxing and allows you to really immerse yourself in the experience as you meticulously fold hundreds of pieces of paper in just the right way. The end result is a fun decoration that makes for a great souvenir. Eat, play, love. Discover Seoul with the Seoul ONE+Pass. What will you do first? Tell me down in the comment section below, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Alright, till next time, we'll see you in Seoul. Have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye.